The next question that we've received is mindfulness for adults. And we've seen this in the chat box again now. For us to teach mindfulness to children, as adults, we need to be more mindful ourselves. So, how do we help teachers and educators become more mindful? Especially a question coming from administrators and team leaders.
Engaging ourselves in mindful practice as as often as possible, because just if we are engaging with it. I think I started my journey with mindfulness in year 2018, and since then it was at times difficult to sit with. So you can start with a 1 minute. You just sit, with yourself for a minute, and you see how what happens in your body. For 1 minute also we will not be able to sit quiet, and that has happened with me. So just breaking some, at times you'll see, you'll don't make yourself to that tangent that okay, I want to sit for like 10 minutes. That will not happen. Sit for 20 minutes, sit for 5 minutes, then sit for 7 minutes, and then gradually you will reach that point where you feel that you are there. And there are some courses which happen. So if there I usually take my classes from inner space therapy. So in inner space counseling, there are some educators who also try doing it. So like 8-week course, 10-week course which happen, so we can continually engage with that. And as we are like doing it, some of the reflection which happens for us actually helps us in doing with our students. So that has been like a, I would recommend everyone to do it for themselves first, and then before doing it with any other student. That has helped me beautifully in our conversation. Before in 2017, I used to be really nervous, very restless into the classroom before going into the classroom. But then somehow I think I managed my pace out there, even if n number of things are going into my world. Once I'm into the classroom, I was there with the students. So that has helped. That has shifted for me at least. So I would encourage everyone to just do it mindfully. Eating, even if we are eating for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, talk to your family, 5 minutes, eat with yourself. So that is what has helped.
We need to really see, as a mother, as a family homemaker, or as somebody who's working, women have very little time to, even 1 minute they can't find. So we said, okay, you don't even have to find that time. Actually, we conduct a course called the Learning Facilitators course, which is totally, you're supposed to arrive at mindfulness. And the process we said is, okay, while you're having a bath, okay, just be mindful of your body. Thank your body. Love yourself. While you're chopping the vegetables, feel the vegetables. Thank the person who's. So just whatever you're doing, do it with complete mindfulness. Washing vessels, okay, be conscious what you're using soap. So we are more into sustainability and organic products. So we said, okay, slowly you bring in the changes from the soaps to bioenzymes to organic soaps, because this is what mindfulness and consciousness will do. It will make us more and more as what we all want. So whatever you're doing, if you're walking, if you're taking a bus, when you're standing in the bus or in the train, just when you're there, you can do this. 5 things you see, 4 things you hear. All this can be done. It can be integrated into your everyday activities. And we do the Learning Facilitators course, which is a 5-month course, because we feel this, you really need to spend time with yourself for this. If you're interested, you can look up that also.